How to remove credit card from TikTok account. So first go to settings and privacy on your TikTok account, then click on the balance option. After that you have to click on this small arrow. Then you have to click on the withdraw button as you can see in the screen. Just click on the withdraw. Then as you can see there's an option named manage. Just click on that manage button. After clicking on manage button, you'll see an interface like this. Select your credit card or your payment method and click on that small arrow option. So from here you can easily delete the payment method that you are currently having. So if you're having a credit card, then you can delete it from here. So after clicking on delete and yes, then your credit card or your specific payment method will be deleted from TikTok account. So that was how you can delete credit card or any of your payment method from TikTok account, and thanks for watching.